Get ready as we count on the best car scratch removers that can rescue your finish. If you've ever chased away swirl marks or shallow nicks and wondered which product actually works, you're in the right lane. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car scratch removers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Confident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. On the surface, this is a compact, user-friendly option designed to minimize light swirl marks and faint scratches that accumulate from routine car care. The formula relies on microabrasives paired with a smooth, polymer-based glaze that helps restore the paint's luster while leaving a protective shine finish. From first use, you notice how the product goes on evenly with a clean microfiber applicator and then buffs off with minimal effort, revealing a clearer, more glassy look under the sun. It is suited for daily drivers and vehicles with minor flaws where the goal is to recover gloss rather than remove deep gouges. The product is gentle enough to work by hand, which makes it ideal for hobby detailers who don't own a polisher, yet capable of producing results that rival more expensive compounds when applied with patience and a consistent spiral motion. Packaging typically emphasizes a one-step workflow. Apply a small amount, spread evenly across a panel, and buff with a soft microfiber until the haze vanishes, leaving behind a smoother surface that reflects light more cleanly. You can reuse it across multiple panels in a single detailing session, which is helpful for large vehicles or when you're refreshing several sections after wash. The chemistry centers on filling minor imperfections visually by placing a fine, translucent layer over the top of the clear coat, which minimizes the appearance of tiny scratches as the underlying finish shines through. This approach is particularly effective on white or light color vehicles where imperfections stand out more prominently. Yet it still provides noticeable improvements on darker paints where swirl marks tend to dance in bright light. Best results work in cool, shaded conditions and avoid applying heavy pressure that could push the compound too deep into the finish. As you master the technique, you'll gain more control over the level of correction and finish quality you want, turning a simple polish into a meaningful step that extends the time between more aggressive corrections. Paired to the Confident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this number 5 option offers a more forgiving application and quicker wipe-off, making it a strong choice for casual detailers who want fast, tangible results with minimal effort. At number 4, we have the Confident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. This variant of the same brand carries the same light to moderate defect correction capability, but it's presented with a slightly more targeted emphasis on evenness of the final glaze and a smoother wipe with less haze when used on mid to light color finishes. Formula remains a blend of fine abrasives and protective polymers, designed to erase micro scratches and swirling while leaving behind a protective film that helps repel future contaminants. Users will notice that application feels smooth and forgiving, which is a key attribute for beginners or detailers who prefer a simple, no-fuss routine. You apply a small amount with a microfiber pad, work in small circular motions over each panel, and then wipe away the residue with a clean microfiber cloth to reveal enhanced clarity and a deeper, more reflective shine. This product shines when you're aiming to restore gloss that has faded due to washing and air pollution, giving your paint a refreshed look without introducing heavy cutting or risk to the clear coat. For those who want more dramatic correction on deeper scratches, this product can be paired with a dedicated cutting compound or polishing step, but many drivers will find it sufficient for the majority of everyday swirl marks. Package design emphasizes ease of use and a quick, dependable workflow. When you're evaluating your car's needs, this option sits comfortably as a practical middle ground between basic cosmetic polish and high-intensity cutting compounds. Paired to the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, which I have included as number 3 on this list, this number 4 pick prioritizes simple, controlled results over aggressive correction and is therefore well suited for routine maintainers who want visible improvement without a steep learning curve. At number 3, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. This classic detailing staple is built around precision abrasive technology that targets surface flaws with a focused cutting action while minimizing dust and heat buildup during the process. Compound is designed to remove oxidation, heavy swirl marks, and relatively stubborn scratches by enabling a controlled run of micro cutting across the clear coat when paired with a dual-action polisher or a high-quality microfiber pad. The result is a perceptible sharpening of the paint's clarity, a tighter, more uniform reflection, and a smoother feel to the paint's surface under touch. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is often used as a mid-stage step in multi-stage detailing. After the heavier cutting work is done, this product further refines the finish to achieve near-factory gloss, helping to neutralize hazy or cloudy appearances left by older oxidation. One of its strengths is versatility across different color paints, since the abrasive system is calibrated to minimize lift or gouging on most modern finishes while still delivering significant defect removal. Product works especially well when you're preparing a car for a show or sale where the objective is to recapture a showroom brightness. Use with a high-quality polishing pad and a steady, even pressure, ideally with an appropriate polisher that can maintain a consistent rotation and speed. It's important to layer the polishing process with careful monitoring of the paint's color and clarity to avoid overheating or overcorrection. The safety profile is favorable for typical factory clear coats when used as directed, and it is well known for its reliable performance in a wide range of conditions. Compared to the Confident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover, which I have included as number 5 on this list, this number 3 pick delivers a stronger, more aggressive cut for deeper imperfections, though at the cost of a longer learning curve and a potential for haze if not used properly. At number 2, we have the Megwares Quick Scratch Eraser Kit. This kit is built around a fast, approachable workflow that lets most car owners see tangible improvements in minutes rather than hours. The core element here is a small, amply coated polishing pad paired with a dedicated scratch eraser, compound that's designed to work on light to moderate scratches and swirl marks without requiring heavy cutting. Kit is frequently marketed as drill-mounted or hand-operated, offering flexible usage depending on your available tools and comfort level with a polisher. Texture of the eraser compound is smooth, with just enough abrasiveness to blend the edges of fine defects into the surrounding paint, leaving a nearly invisible transition that your eyes can easily follow in bright light. The main advantage of this kit is its speed. A quick pass, a wipe, and you're typically able to notice a clearer surface with a more even tone. It's particularly popular in garages where time is at a premium and where quick touch-ups can help preserve the value of a vehicle between maintenance cycles. Because this kit is designed for ease of use, it's welcoming to beginners and hobby detailers who want professional results without mastering a full polishing regimen. However, it's not a substitute for deeper, more rugged correction when substantial scratches or heavy oxidation are present. In those cases, a more intensive compound or a dedicated multi-step process would be a better fit. As you apply, aim to keep the surface cool and avoid overheating the paint, which can lead to microcracking or color shift. With proper technique and consistent passes, you'll gradually see a more uniform surface that reflects light more consistently. Paired to the PIMAG Car Scratch Remover Kit, which I have included as number 1 on this list, this number 2 pick emphasizes speed and convenience over broad versatility, making it a perfect middle ground for people who want noticeable improvement without a dramatic overhaul of their detailing routine. At number 1, we have the PIMAG Car Scratch Remover Kit. This kit is designed with an emphasis on value and flexibility, delivering usable results across a range of common automotive paint defects, including light scratches, swirls, and hazy oxidation. Formula blends mild abrasives with a smoother polishing finish that helps refine the look of the clear coat while reducing the visibility of minor imperfections. Kit typically includes a set of microfiber applicators, polishing pads, and a compact bottle of polishing compound that can be used by hand or with a low-speed polisher, which broadens its appeal to both casual enthusiasts and more committed detailers. Notice that the result is a balance between correcting defects and preserving paint integrity, with a final gloss that looks deeper and more reflective than before. One key advantage is its compatibility with a variety of vehicle colors, including darker shades that can reveal scratches more readily, because the mild abrasives do not aggressively cut while still delivering perceptible improvement. The process is straightforward. Apply a small amount, spread evenly, and work in consistent circular motions while maintaining a cool surface. This approach makes it easier to achieve uniform results across larger panels and longer sessions, which is valuable for those who like to detail cars at home or in a shop setting. As with any polish, follow up with a dedicated wax or sealant to lock in the shine and protect the newly restored finish. Paired to the Megwares Quick Scratch Eraser Kit, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the PIMAG Car Scratch Remover Kit offers a broader application range, a slightly more forgiving formula, and the benefit of being a complete kit rather than a single component, which supports a more holistic detailing workflow.